In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account on your desktop. Creating an Amazon account is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore all the features that Amazon has to offer. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Amazon's website. This is your starting point for setting up a new account. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a Sign In option. Directly beneath that is a prompt saying, New customer, start here. Click on that to begin the sign-up process. Next, you'll be taken to a registration page. Here you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you choose an email that you frequently use, as it will be linked to your Amazon account for notifications and confirmations. After typing in your email, go ahead and click Continue. Now you'll see a button to proceed with creating your account. Click on it. You'll need to provide a few personal details at this stage. Enter your name and then create a password. Your password should be strong and secure. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters is recommended. After entering your password, you'll need to type it again to confirm it. Once everything is filled out, look for the Continue option. By clicking here, you're moving closer to completing your registration. Amazon may now prompt you to solve a quick puzzle. This step is to ensure that you're not a robot spammer trying to create fake accounts. Solve the puzzle as prompted, and then click Confirm. After this, it's time to verify your email address. Amazon will send a one-time password, or OTP, to your email. Open your email, find the message from Amazon, and take note of the OTP. Return to the Amazon registration page, enter the OTP into the specified field, and click Verify. This step verifies that the email you provided is indeed yours. With the email verification completed, there's just one more thing to do. You're encouraged to add your mobile number. This helps in keeping your account secure and enables two-factor authentication. Enter your phone number, and with that, your account setup is successfully completed. Now you are all set. Your Amazon account is active and you can start shopping, exploring Amazon Prime, and enjoying your new digital space. Keep your login details safe and explore everything Amazon has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy shopping!